A land where definition of luxurious lifestyle is staggering. A land where you can find the tallest building, the most expensive hotels and restaurants in the world. Yes friends, today this country doesn't need any kind of introduction. Yes, I am talking about Dubai, which is well known for luxury shopping, modern architectures and a lively nightlife scene. Hello and welcome. Now you're watching YouTube channel TFC, means Travel, Fashion and Culture. It's artificial, man-made, over-the-top and a bit strange to see such a modern air-conditioned city in the middle of the desert. Dubai is unique and therefore I wanted to share some Dubai's facts and information with you. Let's start with some interesting and crazy facts about Dubai to show you just how different this place is. So guys, please stay tuned till the end of the video, but before that please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share. Dubai is situated on the Persian Gulf coast of the United Arab Emirates and is roughly 52 feet above sea level. The Emirate of Dubai shares borders with Abu Dhabi in the south, Sharjah in the northeast and the Sultanate of Oman in the southeast. Initially, Dubai's economy was built around the oil industry, but current revenues from petroleum and natural gas account for less than 3% of the Emirates' gross domestic product. Today, Dubai has been focusing its economy on tourism by building hotels and developing real estate. Actually, real estate and tourism drive the economy of Dubai, and there seems to be a never-ending development of innovative and over-the-top projects. In recent years, it has sought to make money from property development and luxury tourism, building impressive hotels such as the Burj Arab and other huge building projects such as the World. The city of Dubai in the United Arab Emirates is known for extravagant, newly built landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, the Palm Jumeirah, and the Dubai Mall. In just over 2 decades, the city has transformed from a desert backwater port to a thriving metropolis, with the third most skyscrapers in the world. Discover the extravagant luxury, high-tech facilities, and old-world charm of Dubai, renowned worldwide as a booming center of international trade and innovation. Dubai has fast become one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Only in Dubai can one gaze upon and travel up the world's largest freestanding structure, the Burj Khalifa, shop in both exclusive designer malls and traditional trade souks, and indulge in feast inspired by the flavors of the world while staying in a 7-star hotel. Dubai is the largest and most populous city in the UAE. There are approximately 27,80,000 residents from over 200 nationalities, plus countless tourists and traders on any given day. The state-of-art technology and infrastructure, tax-free living, and a strategic location in the center of the major trading continents make Dubai the ideal place to do business. The byproduct of this is a dynamic prosperity. The reason that Dubai is one of the leading luxury holiday destinations in the world. Extravagance abounds in this captivating city-state. There is a rich Arabic culture that underpins local life in the city. But all are welcome and encouraged to explore and enjoy Dubai to the absolute fullest. Dubai constantly competes with itself, trying to magnetize tourists to a dreamlike world of attractions. This drive is clearly visible in its tourist attractions, landmarks, shopping centers, parks, and hotels. The people of Dubai are extremely tolerant of their multicultural citizens and guests. All religious beliefs are welcome. Over 200 nationalities call Dubai home, including Emiratis, Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Filipinos, Sri Lankans, and Americans, just to name a few. Each new group has brought with them their own style, strength, and flavors. There are currently over 6,000 restaurants and cafes in the bustling city, offering every cuisine imaginable. I had got a bunch of friends and my juniors who were already living in Dubai. Dubai is the country where I launched my designer label in 2009 when my career took another turn in the fashion industry. It wasn't so easy for me to start off my own designer label. But my hard work paid off and I could manage to launch my own label with the help of my friend who was already working in Dubai. I have been to Dubai many times since 2008 and it has always been one of my favorite travel destinations in the Middle East. And it played a major role in nurturing my label in the Middle East market. Among my clientele, there were super rich people from Arab countries including some royal families and princes of Arabia also. People know that I have always been into very high-end fashion and love to design very expensive and red carpet style dresses and gowns. My designs are always very handcrafted, sculpted and exclusive, and that is for those who truly love art and fashion. Dubai has been hosting many international trade fairs and exhibitions for many years, and it has become a main hub for business conferences and trade shows in the Middle East. Not only this, Dubai has become the first Muslim country in the UAE to host fashion events and fashion weeks. I also got a chance to participate in a Paris-based international exhibition, which is known as Who's Next, a premier class Paris, and that is worldwide famous event for fashion and trends. This French fashion event was held in the beautiful venue of Jumeirah Al-Qasr. Designers from around the world attended the event and many of them were top designers, brands and labels from France, Italy and Germany. Well, that's all for now. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.